feeling sort of stuck until a UK talent agent entered the picture. Things looking up for mommy's girl, Monifa.
You remember my days for Rising Stars. Oh my God, our video is going viral on TikTok. When you say go for it, Monica. But thank you. I needed that.
Go for it, Monica.
Sending love to my friends and foes.
Thank you, Monica. Let's hope the trade winds blow you in that direction.
You know that she can't sing, Anthony? I like her.
Sometimes it's luck, or maybe forging the right link and hanging in there, even when the odds aren't looking that good. But the talent's real, and these days for Monifa, a bright smile.
I'm C-pop, Caribbean pop.
What do you think Caribbean pop sounds like?
Me, Monifa.
I'm just a mess, chaotic in my head, caught up in my bed, babe.
It took me a while to accept it because I was just like, why not sing if I can sing? But I'm learning now how to gauge it, when to burst out singing and when to take it down a notch.
The singer and her British producer / manager making big plans. Who knows? But things looking up.
I was just recording, and they wouldn't put my music out. It needs promo. You need people snapping to your music, posting your music, pushing your music, actually producing it.
What's happened now that changed the game for you?
Black London. He shares my vision. I didn't have people on my team that shared my vision, and that was the biggest problem. I'm thinking I can get a Grammy, and they're thinking I can go downtown and just perform and go back home. Pickpockets music, I have it around my neck. Pickpockets music, the main person, Black London, he signed me back in 2020 or 2021 to Empire. I had Empire as my distribution company.
But Black London only now personally in the picture.
My music is off the computer. So the business side is beautiful right now, and I'm appreciative of that.
So talk about the music that you're actually putting out.
Yeah, Try Me. I released Try Me. It's doing well on TikTok. It's doing well on Instagram, real social media. That I got 227,000 streams so far on Try Me. That's my first ever song to do that, and I'm just so happy. It's a wow moment for me.
What about the song is connecting?
Oh, definitely. So me have a boyfriend, and him really hurt me. After my mom died, yeah, you know yourself, he's a footballer. Let me get into it. I dated a footballer after my mom died, and it was a mess. And he made me write a lot of songs when he left me in that room to go training to see other girls. And I was very hurt, and I decided that I wanted to do him a lot of things that I couldn't do. So my therapist was my music, and I poured it into that. So now we have Try Me.
I can't take no more. I've been here before. If you know me no good, leave me the hell alone, yeah.
Enough girl out there get born, and them really want to, and them can't do it. So Try Me is the outlet. It needs to be true. It needs to come from the heart. I write only from experiences now. I feel like when I do that, I really get into it, and people believe it, people can relate to it, and everybody can relate to somebody, so it's a win-win.
Dancehall Dark Lord Chronic Law on the Try Me remix.
My manager did that. Still Black London. He orchestrated the whole thing. Chronic Law heard the song, jumped on it, and we're here.
Me we circle your ends like you wanna try me. You wanna try me.
He's perfect. I needed some backative, and you know, Chronic Law is the baddest man to me. So I needed that. It's like a big brother that swooped in to fight my battles with me. I'm happy I have a song with Chronic Law. I'm a big fan.
Why you play me, mister? It's chaotic.
Another track, Chaotic, the other side of Monifa.
It's the heartbroken soft side. It's my Pisces moon coming out. So basically, Chaotic, I still wrote it when I was with that guy. It's like an EP. Big up yourself, sir. You got an EP out of me. But yeah, Chaotic is basically when I just couldn't take it anymore, and I was just like, oh, why am I still here? I'm just replaying all the stuff that you did to me over and over again. It's hurting me more and more. And I'm just in my head, I'm getting depressed now. Chaotic is really about that part where I really broke down. I was kind of going nuts. Nearly mad me. Never again. Never again.
Did that person get back to you and say, please leave me out of the picture, or I don't want
no.
to be, I don't want to be the subject of your social media self-revelation?
You know the joke, I don't think him didn't know some write the song about him, but now, him know. Him know now. I have to keep it clean, so that's why I'm not trying to go too
You think people know his identity?
Them know who the ugly man.
I was in my head, curled up in my bed, burn as a cigarette, feeling hella pressed.
She was always a mummy's girl, and even though her mom's no longer here, she's still fuel to Monifa's fire.
I want to be a big pop star. Something I've always wanted, something my mom has always wanted. That's where my engine is from, you know, my mom's relationship with me. I do it for her, and I do it for myself as well.
And going to take more work.
I'm trying to stop eating so much too. I love food. But yeah, that's a part of it. I need to stop talking so loud. It's a part of my personality too, as well. They say, you know, to be a good singer, you need to speak soft and drink room temperature water and eat less. Yeah, I mean, I work out with Philip, my man, my new man. I have a new man now that treat me right. So when I get you some love song from me now, because, you know, I speak about my experiences. Everybody knows I'm a man for you, Anthony.
You could be in a soap opera.
Period. Maybe we're into a soap opera.
Yeah, and people get in on the act, and of course they're commenting. That doesn't bother you?
Not anymore. Not anymore. When I wake up, I may alone wake up. When I go brush my teeth, I may alone brush my teeth. All right.
And despite the big breakup and the new romance, she says she's got her head on straight, and the future's looking bright.
I went through the pain that I needed to go through when I just lost my mom. I wasn't thinking straight. I was just trying to find happiness again. It's a long run, but I'm on the journey of that. But now I'm more mature, I'm thinking better, I have the right team behind me, I know exactly what my goals are and I know what I want, and I'm just gonna keep going in that direction. So that's the Monifa you have now.
You would tell me lies that I desire, it was my supplier, and I was inspired.
It's a free world, just go for it. It's just your head, it's mindset, faith over fear.
Cause they come